Aguero.
He showed a bit too much to the opposition there.
He's onside here.
Oh, he must score. Shoots! And he scored! And this is a world... Referee gets this match underway.
And Dybala.
And this really takes the pressure off the defence. Tansen.
Using the width here.
What a well-timed tackle.
Sends it forward.
He did well to win the ball back.
And Dybala. And that will be a free kick. This is Balotelli.
Good defending. Salah, and he's back in possession. Good interception.
And with the captain now. Thauvin. Gets the shot in.
Oh, good catch by the keeper. Oh, well timed.
It's with the striker.
And this really takes the pressure off the defence.
Oh, that's going to be a free kick. Striker's ball.
Here's Strootman. He must score, surely. And that is a fantastic goal.
Well, let's take another look at that.
And the players have finished celebrating and we're back underway. Well read. Hoisted upfield now.
Thauvin.
He dribbles the ball forward. He's got the ball at his feet. He's so skillful on the... Payet!
Oh, that's confident goalkeeping there.
Oh, determined challenge there. Great technique. Great chance here. Salah! Oh, pick that one out. Rocketed into the top corner. And here's the build-up to that great goal.
The fourth official has indicated 3 minutes of stoppage time.
And we're back underway, but how will this team respond?
There's the whistle, it's half-time.
A single change has been made. Will it have an effect? So we're underway. Let's see what the next 45 minutes brings. Now, Luis. What a well-timed tackle. And the team swap possession again.
Lovely bit of skill there.
Oh, there's an opening here.
Good save, and the referee has indicated a corner.
Let's take another look at that wonderful save.
Now, can they make something of this?
Aim towards a penalty. Can he finish it? Now, this could be costly. Sakai. Well timed and good defending. They've won the ball back again. He loves to run with... Luis has a chance.
Oh, good catch by the keeper. Cleared forward by the goalkeeper.
Tansen. Ocampos.
Tackled by Pepe. Pepe with clearance.
Here's Rami. Defender then back on the ball.
Moving down the flanks here. This is Balotelli. Long shot, goalkeeper's ball. Well taken. Forward from the keeper.
What an opportunity!
No doubt at all, that's a penalty. Will the pressure get to him? Left the goalkeeper with no chance.
Let's see that again.
And the manager's making a change here.
Oh, a thoroughly deserved lead. You just knew that was coming. Sakai. Tansen. Alba with the tackle.
Well cut out.
Now Luis.
Can he get a shot in? The repeat. Aye! And it's in just in the nick of time.
He finally found the back of the net with a hint of good luck off the woodwork. The player won't mind though as he grabs a goal for his team.
Let's take another look at that. And we're into stoppage time now. Time for a fresh pair of legs here then.
And it's level. Determined work from the player and his team to get them back into the game. It's level. It looks like this team are going for the win today.
That's full time and we're all square onto extra time and possibly penalties. Let's see what difference the change makes.
3 changes from the manager. Can they impress out there?
1 or 2 tired limbs out there as we start extra time.
Great skill from this player. Oh, well timed. And that's lofted upfield.
Ronaldo, so a free kick then. Pulls the trigger. Good block there. Sends it forward. Well intercepted.
Germain. Oh, he did really well there.
Aguero.
He showed a bit too much to the opposition there.
He's onside here. Oh, he must score. Shoots. And he scored.
And this is a world-class finish.
Let's see that one again. The fourth official has indicated 1 minute of stoppage time.
And the crowd are well behind their team now they've got their goal. We're back underway.
Well, with the other team now in the lead, they'll be doing everything in their power to take this match into penalties. Played wide. Nice work there.
Great technique. Ocampos. Oh, determined challenge there.
What a well-timed tackle.
Tansen. is Njai.
Sends it forward.
Well cut out. Full time, the manager will be pleased by his team's cup run. They'll be setting their sights on the final now.
Great performance by this player. He fully deserves to be named man of the match.